Hey there, fellow YouTubers! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your channel name on YouTube using your PC. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Launch your web browser and head over to the YouTube website. Step 2. Sign in to YouTube Studio. Once the website loads up, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Step 3. From the left menu, select Customization, then click on Basic Info. On the left-hand side of the YouTube Studio dashboard, you'll find a menu. Click on Customization, and then select Basic Info from the options. Step 4. Enter your new channel name. Now, you'll see a field where you can change your channel name. Simply delete the existing name and type in your desired new name. Step 5. Click Publish. Once you're satisfied with your new channel name, click on the Publish button at the bottom right of the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your channel name on YouTube using your PC. Remember, it may take a little bit of time for your new channel name to update across all of YouTube. So don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.